Sharks, an apex predator, important in maintaining the ecosystem's food chain, keeping underwater species diverse and balanced, as well as sustaining the carbon cycle's motion. Thus, why are approximately 100 million sharks killed each year? Unfortunately, it is for just one dish. Finning a shark is done by slicing the fin off of the shark while it's still living. The animal is then tossed overboard, where they are unable to swim as they cannot pass water over their gills. They then sink to the bottom of the ocean and either suffocate, die of blood loss, or are eaten by other predators. One can only wonder, why does this malicious act occur? Shark fins are used as a presentation of wealth and viewed as a sign of respect. Shark fin soup itself is known as a conspicuous consumption product, which means that the dish is served as a public display of one's social status, and it can range from $5 to $2,000 a bowl. Further beliefs arise around shark fins, improving everything from sexual potency to skin quality, and that it can prevent heart disease, lower cholesterol, and fight cancer. Although there is no scientific evidence to support these claims, shark finning is still practiced, and shark populations are declining rapidly. Sharks are considered the building blocks of ecosystems. Thus, eliminating these blocks without understanding the consequences is entirely foolish. As an apex predator, sharks are detrimental to the ecosystem. In the ocean, sharks remove the sick, diseased, and injured. They serve as an indicator of ocean health, so their massive decline results in a rapidly decreased number of predators, yet an increase in the sick, diseased, and injured marine life that they get rid of. The rapidly decreasing number of sharks is also leading to an increase in carbon dioxide production in the ocean, which is contributing to climate change. The reason for this increase in carbon dioxide production is because the energy and biomass between the predator and prey is not efficiently transferred through the food chain. Typically, a predator population only gains 10% of the biomass from the prey it consumes. Removing the predators results in a large increase in biomass in the lower level populations. Due to inefficient energy transfer, studies have found that this could be an increase of up to 90%. In turn, more respiration occurs and more carbon dioxide is produced. The more carbon dioxide within our oceans, the more acidic our oceans will become. Therefore, we should ask ourselves, is a bowl of soup really worth shark population declines and ecosystem devastation? Given sharks' mating times, the ability for them to naturally recover their decreasing numbers is nearly impossible. A bowl of soup is not worth any of this, so what can be done to take shark fin soup off of the menus? Thankfully, shark finning is illegal in Canada as per Bill C-68. However, as Canadians, we can advocate for the sharks by raising awareness about this brutal practice. Secondly, we can encourage governments to step in and do a better part in protecting the sharks. These governments can implement more marine protected areas that can protect the shark habitats and nurseries, as well as cover shark migratory routes. Lastly, in traveling to places in which it does occur, we must reject the consumption of the dish, because when the buying stops, so does the killing.